I just got back from Walmart and I thought I would do another grocery haul. I did not get that much stuff this week because if you watched my last video, you saw that I bought a lot of snack stuff and things like that, so we just kind of needed to fill in the gaps this week. So we will start here with our freezer items. I got 2 of these party pizzas, both the combination flavor, that's what our kids like. And then 1 DiGiorno Supreme Thin Crust Pizza. We did some garlic breadsticks. The bag of tater tots. I'm going to make a breakfast hot dish again this week for the kids to eat for breakfast. I got 18 eggs, 3 bottles of grape juice. 2 of them are the Old Orchard and 1 is Great Value. I wanted to get all Great Value, but my Walmart was just really picked over today with a lot of stuff, so I just kind of had to get whatever they had, and they did do a lot of substitutions for my order. I also got this pineapple juice for a pineapple chicken recipe that I'm making this week. Of course, I got a bag of Fiesta Blend shredded cheese. Nick really loves this dip. It's Dean's Dairy dip, pepperoni pizza, and just eat it with potato chips. He loves it. And then I also got this one. I don't know if he's ever tried it before, but it's a deep fried pickle dip. So I thought that sounded good. We have a gallon of milk back here. Our favorite coffee creamer, the Vanilla Silk. It's really good. Some plain vanilla Greek yogurt. This is one of the substitutions. I wanted fresh basil, but they didn't have any, so they gave me this Gourmet Garden lightly dried basil. I've never used it before, so we'll see. I'm using that in a soup tonight. I got 2 lemons, some garlic. I usually buy my garlic at Sam's Club, but I don't know when I'm going to go there again, so I just picked one up from Walmart before I'm totally out. I got 5 of these, what are they called? Cosmic Crisp apples. These are the best apples we have ever had. They're so good. So I got 5 more of those. A bag of serrano peppers and a big bag of Roma tomatoes. We are having breakfast burritos this week, so I'm going to make homemade salsa. This is also for the salsa. This is also a substitution. I usually just get like a regular bunch of cilantro, but I guess they didn't have it, so this is the one they gave me. We've never used this one before either. A package of strawberries for the yogurt. A pack of the tri-colored coleslaw. This is for that pineapple chicken recipe. A bag of butter lettuce and a bag of baby spinach. I got a bag of matchstick carrots. I like to use these in soup rather than like cut up carrots because it just cooks faster. But my Walmart doesn't always have those. 2 English cucumbers for just like hummus this week and snacking and salads and stuff like that. I got 3 bags of the Toll House milk chocolate chips. Our church youth group did a chocolate covered bacon fundraiser for Christmas time, and it was so good, so I'm gonna try and make it. So I think they just melted the chocolate chips and dipped the bacon like after the bacon was cooked, and then they drizzled it with white chocolate. It was super good, so we're gonna try and make that. A can of tomato sauce. I needed more coffee, so I've been really liking this Cameron's Donut Shop one. It's really good. A jug of vinegar. I used the rest of it this morning when I was cleaning the bathtub, so I just did vinegar and baking soda in the drain to clean it out a little bit. I needed more baking soda actually for the kitchen, not really for cleaning. I got this package of chicken breast. It was the last package of chicken breast in the whole store. So I don't know if there's like a meat shortage going on again or what, but my Walmart did not have any chicken, not really much for pork, and I didn't really look at the beef, but I had to go inside to get this one because I did want like the big family pack of chicken, but they didn't have it, and then they didn't substitute it for anything, so I guess that was lucky that I was able to find that. And then I did get this in my order. It's the sirloin tender steaks. This weekend we're having a girls' weekend, so Nick and Xavier always have steak one night and pizza the other night, so that's why I got the pizzas. So they're gonna have their steak while we're gone. 2 packages of the Mission flour tortillas. These are for breakfast burritos. And then a box of the world's best potato chips. I think they are. They're so good. The Old Dutch Ripple potato chips. I think they're only sold in the Midwest, but they're so good. And then last 2 kind of random items. A hair snake, because we have 3 girls living in our house, so our bathtub drain is not going very well right now. So I got that to hopefully fix that, and some Drano. So that is everything I got this week at Walmart. I will also include our meal plan for the week, and I will hopefully be sharing some recipes too. I have a few in mind, but I want to start sharing some of our favorite recipes, because I think it's silly to just show the groceries and then not share what we're making with it. So I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. I really hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time.